My brother got corona. I want to live. He can live or not live. Update on Axel. Update on Axel. It's update on you, puppy. He's doing okay. Oh, he loves me. You love me, baby? You love me? You love your daddy? And your daddy. Oh! Oh, God, that was a ladybug. Oh, sorry, I ever saw a ladybug on me. Where did the ladybug come from, Axel? Where is it? You don't want me to make a video? Is this backwards? No. Stop trying to get on me, ladybug! What's that ladybug doing? It's still trying to get on me. Eat it! So, I hate ladybugs. They're weird that they like to crawl my skin. There it is, just flying around. Pick it on me, I'm gonna get my BB gun. He's doing good. Right, Axel? I can't see nothing. I'm outside with no shoes on. I'm going to, maybe, if you guys want me to make a video about Axel, I could make a video about, how do I zoom out on this phone? About his life, if you want me to. God, I hope that ladybug never get on me again. Mom's dog come outside, yell for my name. She's gonna know I'm outside with no shoes on. I'm so cute. Oh, I actually like that ball. Is that your ball, Zach? Can I have it? Can I have it? Can I have it? Have it? I want it. I have it. I'm gonna hide it and you're gonna find it, okay? Stay. I'm gonna hide it. You stay here, okay? I'm gonna put the camera right here. I'm gonna hide it. Don't mess it! I put it right there. Ah! Where is it? Oh, he sees it. Oh, he knows. Ah! He got it! That's okay! Wait, what's my mom do? Was it backwards? What did my mom do? Where's Axel the dog out? Oh no, he's got it! Yeah, that's up there on Axel. Oh. Axel! Oh my god, I think I feel something. Oh my god, Bundle, you are cute. I bet. You think you will? Are there any deers out, X? That guy's door's open all the way. There. Zoom in, you stupid camera. My mom's new phone. Then the guy's door's open. Hear that, Axel? How do I zoom out on this phone? Oh yeah, that. Why does dogs do that? They just drop their ball. Huh. What do you want, Bubby? I'm gonna drink your water, tea. I'm about to get a science too. I got no shoes on. I'm ready to say. What are you doing? I need to get your ball. Here's the little ball up there. Oh, ah! Hide it again. Okay, Axel. Go get your ball. Go get it. Come on, actually, you know where it is. If I ever get a new house, what the house needs to look like. He found it. Oh yeah, it's nice to Empire biting me. I'm gonna make a piggy video for no reason. Oh my god, I hate showing my face. How is it forget, man? I hate all that channel. Used to be my friend on Roblox. I keep removing this hater comments. Like one of my haters, he comment a cuss word on my video. Cuss word? Yes. But he's nice to me now. It's not that old guy. My God, it's so wet! Yeah. There you go, up there, Mike. So he's doing good. None of you guys wanted that. What am I supposed to do with this channel? Make it a dog channel? Let me see. I'm gonna make this a dog channel. Ew. Okay, I'm gonna make this a dog. Well, I never do. It's gonna be a dog channel. Yeah. Bye, guys. Oh, I think this is gonna be the new dog channel. Click it. Okay, what? Feel. Okay, let's just do the thing.